Yo, what's going on? It's your boy J-Law. We back with another one, people. We got young Mack, new to the channel, new to the world. He's bringing us Elephant in the Room. Young Mack, the Sungod, is bringing us Elephant in the Room. This looks like something we can feel. My boy is on the beach right now. He's checking out the sunrise. Looks beautiful to me. I wonder what he's about to tell us, man. Something heartfelt. Just like a real artist. Something heartfelt. I love it. Hey, I talked to my man, and he's got his head on straight. Basically, bottom line, his head is on straight, so I already know this music's about to be dope. But before we get into all of that, man, if you like the music video, man, you like this video, smash that like button. Smash it, man. You know what I'm saying? That's how we get to where we need to be. Most importantly, subscribe, all right? Support my people. Let's get down to it. Let's go. I told you, something heartfelt.
Elephant in the room at the West End. Demons coming from me in every direction. All this darkness can't find light in my depression. Controversy surround me, it causes attention. I just really wanna end it all. Trying to focus on the in and out. All the memories, wish I could get out. Lucifer, that might go over. Got that knife deep in my wrist, got that knife right to my throat. Leave me bleeding on the floor. Look for me, there is no hope. I'm so tired of this life, I'm so tired of this reality and this motherfucking show. I just wanna end it all. I'ma send myself to hell. Fuck the life we living in. Bring my nigga out that cell. From my brother, almost died up on a mission. You a grown woman from the fourth dimension.
I like this. This is, of course, reminiscent of what you hear. All right, what's going on in the rap game now? But to me, something's sticking out. Something's sticking out different with him. I think it's the fact that he's actually riding the beat. And he's putting some heart into it. Y'all hear it. I heard it. He's saying he's tired of this life. Man, whatever it is that he got going on, bro. Hey, keep doing your music, bro. Keep doing your music. That's what keeps you going, all right? It's therapy, man. Therapy for me. Therapy for everybody who puts their heart and their soul in their music.
Everybody hating, wanna get a mission. From the sun, got these thoughts get no affection. Elephant in the room at the West End. Demons coming from me in every direction. All this darkness can't find light in my depression. Controversy surround me, causing tension. I don't wanna cry anymore. I just wanna die alone on the floor. Bullet through my head,
I told you this was heartfelt. My man is seriously showing that he got something going on right now. Bro, suicide is not the way to go. Just keep doing your music, bro. Keep doing your music. Whatever is in your heart, whatever's in your mind that's got you feeling the way that you do right now, just continue to put it in your lyrics and in your music. Just like you doing right here. Obviously, you know that because you still here. Let's go.
Rest in peace to grand, rest in peace to all the niggas that wanna see my way, but they ain't get to be here today. Let us always pray.
People, that was young Mack, the Sungod, Elephant in the Room. Self-explanatory. I ain't gotta explain nothing else to you about it. You got something going, man. Don't ruin it for yourself. Now, I can see from the end, you know, that's a part of it. I see you lost a homie or a brother, not sure who he may have been to you, but it hurts. We lose people all the time. All the time, bro. You know, it's just the way of life. And I know it hurts, but just keep fighting strong. Hold on, be strong. That's what Pox is, man. Hold on, be strong. Through every dark night, there's a bright day after that. So, keep doing what you do. Stand your ground. Be a man. And keep your head on straight. Because from what I've been talking to, your head sounds like it's on straight, bro. Just keep doing what you do. All right, people, let's support this guy right here. Let's support Young Mack, the Sungod. All right, I'm going to leave the links. Y'all go to the channel. Check them out. Let's keep it real, people. Y'all got homework to do. Make sure y'all do it. My world, your world, our world, man. Let's stick together. Get it.